Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use this plugin to generate trees and full biomes. Right now, you see an example from the demo scene. With this plugin, you can generate your own biomes with custom settings. First, create a new Unity project. Select the Universal 3D template. Then remove any unnecessary files from the project. Now import the plugin. You can download it from the Unity Asset Store. The link is in the description. There are 5 demo scenes included. The simplest one is a single tree generator. Oh, one more thing. This plugin uses the old input system. Go to Project Settings and enable it. You can enable either the old system only or both. Now let's generate a tree. Each time you get a unique result. You can randomize the foliage color and tweak different parameters. Next scene shows a growing tree. Branches and leaves grow over time based on your settings. Right now, the cycle is very short for demonstration, but you can adjust it to any timing you need. Then we have 2 forest scenes. One is a static forest and the other has a fly-through camera. Here, everything is simple. Trees are spawned at predefined points. There is also a variation with green trees and a dead forest version. And now the most interesting part, biomes. First, let's look at the result. Island generation takes just a few seconds. You can move around using WASD and the mouse. Here we have 4 different biomes. This is a green, lush biome. Besides trees, it includes mushrooms, bushes, logs, stones, and flowers. When we enter a dark biome, camera and lighting settings change. Next is something like a magical forest. And finally, an autumn yellow forest. Now let's see how it all works. The island itself is generated using the procedural ground component. You can replace it with your own solution. For example, use a simple plane or a custom mesh. Biomes work with any surface. By changing the seed and parameters, you can generate different islands. Here we also have a simple player controller. On the canvas, there is only an FPS counter and a loading placeholder shown during generation. And here are the biome settings. The main Biomes Manager contains a list of all biomes. There is also a script that colors the ground mesh. Inside each biome generator, you define generation rules. Basically, it's a list of objects you want to spawn, their count, and spacing between them. Each biome has its own objects and its own rules. Biomes also have boundary settings. These are just points that define the area, They are visualized in the scene as thin lines for convenience. Each biome also has camera settings. When you enter a biome, these settings are applied to lighting, camera, and fog. Biomes Manager also has an event that fires after generation is complete. Right now, it just hides the loading placeholder on the canvas, but you can replace it with your own logic. That's it. You can download this plugin from the Unity Asset Store. Hope you enjoy it.